Yo. Okay, you can taste now, chef. I know it's quite spicy, that one.
Yeah, that's hot. That's really hot.
Yep.
That's painfully hot.
I know. You need water, right? มีน้ำขอน้ำครับ
Harnessing his encyclopedic knowledge of the kingdom's cuisine, Prin is committed to preserving and sharing traditional Thai cooking methods with the world. After making a name for themselves operating as a pop-up kitchen, the couple created a permanent space on the ground floor of Mint's family home in Bangkok.
The ambiance felt like home, so it had that nice, soft sense of occasion. You felt comfortable.
They named the new restaurant Samrub Samrub Thai, which roughly translates to family meals for Thai people.
Welcome to Samrub Samrub Thai, and here is the welcome drink. It's the sato.
What's this?
It's like a rice wine. It's made from the organic sticky rice.
How vicious?
How what?
Vicious.
Vicious.
Percentage.
I guess 8%.
Are you sure?
Very low, yes. We getting higher and higher later.
I've had rice wine before, but it's never tasted like this.
Yeah, it's very mild. It's
Very delicious. Can you get drunk on this?
Of course you can.
Depends on your weakness.
Why do I get that feeling that I'm going to be a pig to the slaughter?
No.
The intimate open kitchen experience features an ever-evolving menu that changes with the seasons. This month features a medley of delicacies from Prin's northern homeland.
Hello, chef. Today we're gonna do like a relish or dipping from Lua. Lua is like the ancient tribe in Thailand, long time ago.
Yeah.
Then mostly they use a lot of lemongrass
for the acidity.
chili. I put water in the beginning, and this like a bishop shiitake and eggplant grilled together.
Shiitake and egg pump.
Yeah, shiitake and eggplant. Now we're gonna power this until it paste. The taste from the tribe mostly from the fish oil and sourness from the lemongrass. I think you can have me. Just make like a paste. Yep. Add on it in. No sugar. Fish oil, salt.
I see.
Just split it a bit.
Come on, Luciano. The quicker you do it, the quicker we eat.
Yeah.
So you say this is a relish, this is a dip, but what do you serve it with?
Boiled with your fresh vegetable. Eel today.
Eel.
Yes.
I love eel.
Yeah.
My favourites.
It's not my favorite.
And you barbecue the eel.
Oh, we deep fry. Coming fresh today.
I love eel.
Yep. Sorry, a bit of salt here.
Wow.
Yep. Yo. Okay, you can taste now, chef. I know it's quite spicy, that one.
Yeah, that's hot. That's really hot.
Yep.
That's painfully hot.
I know. You need water, right? มีน้ำขอน้ำครับ
Okay, is this on the menu tonight?
Yep. Some like, some don't like.
Some like it hot, some like it spicy,
Yeah. Some
and
don't
some
like.
don't like.
Yeah, some hate me.
You just tried to hurt me with that stuff.
So let's get started for the first starter.
Just throw it at me.
Yeah, of course. Throw now, serve เลย
Did you just say throw it at him now? You did, didn't you? I like the way they work together. I like what they make. I like the honesty. Everything they do is honest. Do you cook with a whiskey? Fantastic. Cheers.
Every day.
May I, chef?
I love the fact you drink and cook at the same time. In England, drinking on the job is gross misconduct. You know that. Yum, yum,
Excuse
yum.
me.
Thank you.
So the first one is the sweet pea, and we deep fry and we make a bean curd. And then on the side you have the tomato dressing. And you may have, together with the sauce and a little bit of chili oil. So it's sour and a little bit hot.
It'd be odd if a Thai dish didn't have any chili in it.
Many. How is it?
It's like something I've never eaten in my life before. Interesting textures and flavors. But it works very well.
Normally in the morning, people also have this as a morning like breakfast as well. Some did like a porridge and some did like a salad. So we mix the texture of it in this dish.
That's very good, Chef.
Thank you, Chef.
Wow, what's this?
Palm sugar wine.
And what percentage is this one?
The same.
Wow. One thing I know about your husband, I'm sure he sleeps like a baby every night with the amount of alcohol. If you get a glass of alcohol with every course.
Exactly.
Wow.
Chef. This is your chicken, Chef.
That looks good.
Even like a stuffed chicken. We may have mint chicken marinated with like a fish sauce, and curry paste a little bit with tomato, Vietnamese mint, and lemongrass.
Now, what's very interesting on what little bit you've given us so far, it's very intelligent and very sophisticated.
Okay, Chef.
Yeah, it's nice. Those.
It's mixed with like a, you know, like a
spicy.
turmeric in the rice and 5 spice powder. It's like a Chinese, Indian, Burmese, Thai mixed together.
Delicious.
That's really good. It was worth flying to Thailand just to eat that skin. Really good. He's very steady. He doesn't try to impress you. He wants to feed you. He's very humble, and he gives you great insight into who he is, the world he came from, and the cuisine of the North.
Prin and Mint's commitment to sustainability runs deep. Working directly with local farmers, they're proudly championing the diversity and quality of Thai agriculture through their seasonal menus. A testament to their success, in December 2023, Samrub Samrub Thai was awarded its first Michelin star. Up next on the menu, one of the signature dishes that has helped this restaurant reach such great heights.
In South Asia, they have like a wrap the things and grill, like a Malay, Indo, Thailand, of course. It's like a tiger prawn with a curry paste. Inside the prawn has like eggs, seasoned with fish sauce, garlic, shallot, coriander. You can eat together. With the prawn head, everything gone.
I can say one thing, Chef.
Chef.
I've never had a prawn head taste so good in my life.
Thank you, Chef.
That was really good prawn head.
Cool.
That's good prawn head, that.